Root Beer and Sassafras want to share with you their recipe for making applesauce sandwiches, which they greatly enjoyed, and they hope you will too. You'll need 2 slices of bread for each sandwich you make. You'll need applesauce, sugar, butter, a pan, and some spices like cinnamon. And you can even try apple butter. Using a spoon or knife, spread applesauce on 1 slice of bread. Or you can try apple butter. We're going to try both. Then you can try some spices, like sprinkle on some cinnamon or some sugar. Maybe add a marshmallow or 2. Come up with some ideas that you might like to try. Then spread butter on the other slice of your sandwich. Put it top side up. Then remember to flip it upside down and butter the bottom. Then stick it in a pan. Have a grown-up do this part. Or you can put it in an air fryer. Nice and toasty. Time to cut it in half to share. Or we can cut it in quarters. That's 4 pieces. Have fun experimenting with your applesauce sandwiches. This is a great way to practice measuring ingredients. And after you're finished, you can decide whether you want to change the recipe. Maybe you want to change measurements or change ingredients. Make sure you write that down. Measuring ingredients and dividing food to share is a way to practice math skills. Spreading, mixing, cutting is a way to practice fine motor skills. It's also fun to practice graphing with young children. First, you need a question that you want to answer, like what apple foods do you like? Use pictures, drawings, and words to represent people and things. Use a simple key with symbols such as this one. A check mark means yes. Use marks such as tally marks to keep track as you go along and to count. When you're finished, talk about the chart and what it helped you discover. Did you find the answer to your question? What else did you learn from your chart? Make sure that you write down your key findings and conclusions. I discovered that Root Beer likes all the apple treats, and that Miss Erin, Root Beer, and Sassafras all liked apple chips and applesauce sandwiches. Good. Here are some great books for you to borrow from the library. This one's Pizza. It's a cookbook on board book pages. And here's Little Cooks, fun and easy recipes to make with your kids. And if you're interested in learning about graphs, we have bar graphs, line graphs, all books for young children, and Lemonade for Sale, where children have to keep track of their sales using a graph. And then on HOOPLA, we have Minecrafter's Cookbook, and many other cookbooks that you can use with young children. And there are many books about graphing for young children. All types of graphs: circle graphs, bar graphs, line graphs, pie graphs. Just visit library.car.org.